Jason Otterness is the most handsome man in detailing. We're in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're here for the 2018 Modesta Pluscon event. We're at Lux Auto Spa. The beautiful man next to me is Cougar. He is the owner of Lux Auto Spa. And I gotta say, man, this is one of the most beautiful shops that I've ever seen.
Coming together, man. It's been fun.
Will you mind taking us on a tour?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Yeah, so welcome. We appreciate having you out here. So this is our lobby we built. We've been in here for a year now. It's been a huge upgrade from our last shop. Actually, our lobby in this shop is about as big as our last shop was. Our front room, we wanted to build it out to be a testament of the work we do and to be able to show off the cars and the craftsmanship that these guys are so highly trained in. Jim Lefebvre, you know him?
Hey, buddy.
Oh man, so we'll go check out the rest of the shop.
Awesome.
So one of the biggest things, Utah is it's a nasty climate. It's a high desert, and when you pull a car outside, doesn't matter how clean it is, in about 2 seconds, it's got a fine layer of dust on it. So, having a delivery room that we could actually keep the cars in until pickup was absolutely massive for us. So this has been a great piece of our business.
So were these doors here before?
These doors were not here before. This was actually a paper store. So 18,000 foot paper store. We blew in all the doors, the door in the front showroom as well. And we're kind of, we left the shop super open at first, and now we're kind of building in and refining our spaces. Eventually there'll be a garage door right here, and there'll be a garage door right here connecting the rest of the shop. We have our correction and coating room. It's this big black dually, not the normal one that we work on, but this big piece is getting corrected and Modesta coated right now. So the guys are hammering down on that. All the cars we work on for Modesta, for the Pluscon, kind of going on this side of the shop. So this is usually our car storage. So usually this is stacked wall to wall with all of our storage vehicles. So we cleared those out for the training. It's kind of our next area. We're really getting heavy into what we've been, but we're really putting a lot of focus on film. So window tint, clear both printed and color change vehicle wraps. We have our whole print room right here right now. Our HVAC system should be in about the next month or so. And this will all be walled in, a big garage door for workflow in and out. So
Excellent.
This will be vehicle wrapped. We'll have about 4 cars with the tinting along this area right here. And then we kind of come back, we've got some like a little training going on or something over here. But this whole area right here is be all PPF. We have our storage rack in the back. So we're super excited to have this area done. As we all know, debris is the biggest issue with these films. So having this be a clean room is going to be amazing. Nice. And then right back in here, we're going to switch that print room into this piece of dead space right here. So the back of the shop is where we have all of our wash bay and detail through here. Detail, this wall will get continued all the way down. Detail is going to come on this side, and then the drive lane is going to be right down here. So it'd be super nice, super convenient. Essentially, cars get washed and prepped, and then any car that comes into the shop's a clean car. So we're going to keep be able to keep the shop really clean.
Tell us about this monstrosity up in the sky you got here.
This is kind of my crazy brainchild that we're working on right now. We got all the structural steel done. This is actually going to be all of our offices. So we can take a walk if you want.
Yeah.
But come on up, just be careful. Watch your head on the light. So we just barely got this put into place. There'll be probably 2 offices on this side with doors and then windows all the way around so we can see anything going on both in the detail side and the film side of the shop. And then eventually this will continue all the way down to where that white Tacoma is. We're gonna lift up. All these lights will actually be up into the rafters, so it'll be totally seamless as you look through the shop. So we're super excited. This This is one of my most exciting projects we have going in the shop right now. So all the cars essentially come down the back alley. We'll, as much as we can, we'll prep them outside, blow back them outside, just keep the shop clean. And then, yeah, the wash bay. So this is where all the dirty work goes down. We get them all cleaned up before they actually roll into the shops. So.
Now is it a hot water pressure washer?
Yeah, hot water cradle. So that thing's, we got it about 6 months ago. It's a beast, man. We love it.
They're doing it right here. They got everything.
A couple donation project we're doing for the Utah Highway Patrol and then for our local community police station as well. So donating our time kind of cleaning up these parade vehicles for them for the summers. So back into the front room. We really wanted to kind of create this as a place where we could hold a lot of events, kind of be a hub for car drives and whatnot. So we have everything from full kitchen. Kind of looks a little crazy right now, a lot going on. And then there usually is a big couch right here, so we can have kind of watch parties, Formula One, basketball, whatever we want to have done. So it's been a lot of fun. We're lining the whole top with canvases. We have a lot more build out we want to do up here, but yeah, it's been fun to watch it all come together.
Awesome.
So
thanks for the tour, man.
Of course, appreciate it. Yeah, good to have you out.
All right, we started off Pluscon 2018 with Tomo. He is the chemist behind Modesta. He did a presentation on the chemical composition of all the coatings. We went through all the different coatings, Modesta BCO4, BCO5, BCO9, all the coatings, BCO6, all the coatings that we use. And it was very interesting. A lot of information on how the products are made, what they're used for, and the different surfaces, and why you would use one coating instead of another in certain situations. A lot of the stuff was a little over my head. He got really into the chemical factor of it, but it was really interesting to hear. Really cool to know exactly how it's made and put together.
Jason Otterness is the most handsome man in detailing.
We're taking a break right now. I know we're going to do some more classroom stuff, and we are doing some hands-on training too. Before we got back to the classroom work, we took a quick ride down the road to Kindig Designs.
Absolutely no phones, no cameras, no nothing. So no pictures. So make sure that none of that happens.
No returns if somebody rode on it.
2018 Pluscon Day 1 Recap. Did you learn a lot today?
Did learn a lot today.
Tomo talked about the chemical composition of Modesta and everything that goes into it. Pretty interesting to hear that. We got lunch, went to lunch. What was the place called? Crown Burgers?
Crown Burgers.
Crown Burgers. So you gotta have burger with pastrami on it. I had it yesterday, it was pretty good. So today was just classroom work. I think tomorrow we're doing hands-on training and stuff. I'm really excited at that. And get back in the shop, Cougar shop, and work on some cars, applying some Modesta products and all the different things. So
Jason Otterness is the most handsome man in detailing.
a lot of new installers, so they went through every single product, how it's applied, and what it's used for and what situations. So that was cool to see all the different maintenance products that goes along with it. We're doing most of that, so that was pretty. It was a nice refresher.
Yeah.
Kindig.
Oh, yeah.
How do you say it?
Oh, there's
Kindig Design? Is it Kindig? Kindig Design?
you're wearing the hat.
Yeah. Kindig. Kindig it. Kindig it?
It's Kindig it.
Kindig it.
Like can dig it. It's Kindig it.
Kindig
Design.
it. Kindig it. Am I saying it right?
Kindig it. Yeah,
Kindig
it's
it.
K-I-N.
It's like Kindig it.
Yeah, Kindig it.
Kindig it?
Yeah, like it's almost like slang for can you dig it? It's like
Kindig it.
Kindig it.
Kindig
design.
it. Kindig it. Okay.
Oh yeah, we went to Kindig it design.
All right, that's it from us. Tomorrow we're doing hands-on, so super excited to do that. We're gonna go get some drinks and get some food, so see you tomorrow. Pluscon day number 2.
Good morning.
We're late, let's go.
So everything that's used to install it, anything on top has been cooled properly. It's going to react a little bit different on PPF than it is going to do on cold heat primer. So. And you have to start all the way down.
All right, 2018 Pluscon day number 2 in the books. Great day.
Yeah.
The morning started off with some hands-on training, kind of stuff that we already knew. It kind of reassured us that we're doing everything properly. That was important.
I was able to try out some coatings I don't have that much experience with, which is nice.
The PD coating.
Yeah.
We haven't used a lot of the PD coating. We did, I think we did one install so far. It's a nice coating. I mean, it's expensive, but I mean, that's almost like maple syrup putting on, and it's a thick coating. And it looked really good too. I mean, we put it on that Panamera.
Shiny
Looked
candy
really
finish.
glossy. And then the best part of the day that I thought was the end of the day, where they brought in a couple speakers, a couple business people who have a lot of experience in the business world, and they were there just talking to us. A lot of motivation, a lot of good, pointers. I think I got a to-do list that's like, 19 things long that I want to look into, and they give us a lot of information on just everything, on how to run a business, how to grow a business, how to scale a business. I think I got like 3 or 4 books I have to read when I get back home. So resting up tomorrow. The Cougar said he's got a big surprise for us tomorrow. I think they're going to release some new products and maybe, I'm not sure what they're going to do. So Will's leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, we're leaving around noon to head to the airport. Back to Glenview.
I'm staying an extra few days. We're actually going to go up to the mountains. Some of the Modesta guys, we're going to do some extra bonding time. Should be an exciting day tomorrow, so stay tuned. We're out. Goodbye.
Good night.
Will.
Will, wake up! Will! Good morning, Will! Day number 3 of Pluscon started with all the installers hanging out and just chatting things up a bit. They announced Scott Perkin of Scotty's Shine Shop as the International Modesta Dealer of the Year. Congratulations, Scotty. We love you, brother. Jason Otterness is the most handsome man in detailing. The Modesta Dealer Group is truly a unique group of installers. In order to become an installer for Modesta, you have to be one of the top detailers in the world. We spent the majority of the morning hanging out and talking business, and then we headed up to the mountains for a nice lunch. They're getting ready for us.
We're getting ready for Cougar's big surprise.
Yeah, a little nervous.
Where are we? Where'd you bring us, Cougar?
Pluscon 2018 is officially over. What a great time. I'm super excited to get back home and start working on the business. I'm excited to do a lot more videos. Stay tuned. Next week, we are headed to Houston. I have one more stop on this 3-week road trip. I'm gonna go home for a couple days. I got laundry to do and stuff. Will left yesterday. Amazing time. I can't thank Cougar enough. John and Michael and Tomo for everybody for putting this event together. Cougar for opening up his awesome shop to everybody. Packing up my stuff right now, getting ready to go to the mountains. A bunch of the guys are staying a couple days extra. We're gonna do some snowmobiling up in the mountains. Salt Lake City is absolutely beautiful. If you ever get the chance to come here, definitely do it. Definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe below. Stay tuned. Next week we're going to Houston and you're not gonna wanna miss it.